The 2008 Toyota Highlander Hybrid. The Highlander Hybrid is equipped with a standard 3.3-liter V6 270 horsepower hybrid engine that achieves 27 miles per gallon in the city and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. Offering a spacious interior, smooth ride, and refined hybrid powertrain, the Highlander is an excellent family vehicle that combines exceptional fuel economy and a spacious, well-appointed interior, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, heated seats, power driver's seat, driver's side airbag, HomeLink garage door opener, alloy wheels, front air conditioning, power steering, cruise control. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.